Looking for an affordable mid-ranger? Check out the Samsung Galaxy A51. Hey, Arito over here. Welcome back. Kumusta? And today we're going to do a Thursday tech review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Check it out.
So today we're going to unbox and do a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. What I have here is the Prism Crush Black, 128GB of storage and 6GB RAM. I got this for free under plan 1299 from Globe. This kit is pretty much standard, comes with SIM card ejector tool in this jelly case. We have here the usual welcome packet, which nobody reads, but I do. Here's a quick start guide, shows you how to install a nano SIM card. And here is the warranty card. Enough of this, and let's check the real content of the box. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A51 Prism Crush Black. Let's put it aside first. And start with a 15-watt fast charger that charges the phone from 0 to 35 in 30 minutes. Next to the USB Type-C and the stock Samsung earphones. So don't expect any AKG earphones here. This is a very slim phone given its size, and I like how the light bounces its back, giving that prism rainbow color. You've got the power key and volume rocker on the right side. Okay, so let's remove the protective sticker first. So I think we're all set, so let's fire it up. Okay, let's go. So I'll just skip everything and speed it up just for you guys. So my unit came with a pre-installed wallpaper from Globe, which is my carrier here in the Philippines. It has a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm jack which has great audio quality, a single bottom firing loudspeaker. It has a dual nano SIM card slot and a dedicated micro SD XC. The back is made of plastic, which is durable than glass, but makes it fingerprint magnet. What I think is the A51's strength is a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, which is great for consuming media. This one is powered by Samsung's Exynos 9611, which is equivalent to Snapdragon 660. One UI is present here and the latest Android 10, which has faster transfer speed, a 4000 milliamps battery, which is not so big by today's standards, but still can last you a day. We have dark mode here, which is a big plus for me, and brightness is okay, maxing at 400 nits using the manual slider. It has a quad Bayer sensor with 4 cameras set up and LED flash at the back. I find that overall image quality is good. Also, the background blur or bokeh is okay compared to other phones. Its macro lens has fixed focus, but still takes a decent photo. If you want a brighter image, the LED flash gets the job done. I like the animation when you use a selfie cam, which can record 4K video. Speaking of videos, let's check out its video, sound, and mic quality.
You know, this holds such a special place in my life as a mom. I've been religiously practicing self-care ever since Marsha was around too. And I've noticed that
when you use it full screen, that punch hole selfie cam setup might be a little distracting. So overall, having a decent camera setup, a good screen, and a sleek design, the Samsung Galaxy A51 can rival any mid-range phones in the market today.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And that's the end of my Thursday tech review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. See you in the next one.